Brian again with SoCo Customs. We got another tire talk for you. This time we've got the Nitto Terra Grappler G2s. These tend to be a much higher end tire that we're putting on a lot of the higher end builds, and they definitely have the performance to reflect that. The tires in question today are 35 12.5 20s. So these are going on a GMC, which is why they're mounted on some GMC wheels. So we'll work from outside in. Like with all Grappler tires, you have a dual sidewall design, and we'll get that up on the screen to show you. But you've got kind of this lightning bolt pattern over here, and then sort of the longhorn panel over on this side. So over here on the shoulder they have this staggered lug design, which actually gives you a lot more biting edges, especially when you're off-road and on dirt roads and things like that. So that definitely helps with traction on those. They also have what's called these coupling joints, where they actually connect the outer lugs of the tire to these inner blocks, and what that does is actually keeps the tire very rigid, so that way it wears a little bit better, wears a little bit more evenly, and lasts quite a bit longer. The sipes in here are actually the full depth of the block, so that means that even as they wear, they'll still have that traction in wet. These interior blocks are actually designed to reduce road noise, so they will have the comfort that you would expect from a Nitto tire on road with the off-road functionality. Depending on if you're going with an LT metric or a hard metric size, you get a 50 or 65,000 mile warranty respectively. So yeah, we'll continue reviewing the tires as we get them in. These are, again, the Nitto Terra Grappler G2s. Please give us a thumbs up and a subscribe to our channel, and let us know more things that you would like to see. Thanks, and have a great day.